Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the simplest way to create Black Friday discount campaigns in WordPress. Using the UpsellMaster Pro plugin, your ultimate solution for seamlessly integrating upsells throughout your website. Launching a Black Friday discount campaign on your digital web store is essential for increasing sales and attracting new customers. It takes advantage of the shopping fervor surrounding this event, driving revenue and enhancing brand visibility. So how can we do this? In the backend, just go to Upsells, Campaigns. Click on New Campaigns, and here you got a collection of promotional campaign templates you want to use and offer to your customers. Select the Black Friday campaign template, and it will take us to the Edit Campaign page. Here you can see all settings you want to change and adjust depending on your requirement, like the offer duration, discount code and percentage, requirements, and others. Down below, to adjust the promotional text, with the banner images already created for you. All of these settings are thoroughly discussed in the plugin documentation page. Once you're done, just save and your campaign offer is good to go. Now, you know how to create Black Friday discount campaigns in WordPress. Visit us at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks and know-hows related to this plugin and to many more WooCommerce and easy digital downloads plugin. Thank you.